Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a ready system and the right account, so start by installing all pending Windows updates and restart. Next, sign into Windows or the Office installer with the Microsoft account that owns the license. This avoids activation delays. If you have a product key, keep the 25-character code handy. If you use Microsoft 365, ensure subscription shows under your account. Once done, open any Office app to begin activation and follow the on-screen prompts to continue the process. Now install Office. Run the installer from your Microsoft 365 account or the provided media and choose Install. When Office opens, click Sign In and enter the Microsoft account tied to the license so activation can verify entitlement. Allow the installer to download components. This may take several minutes depending on your connection. Make sure you stay online, because activation checks with Microsoft servers. If prompted to enter a product key, paste the 25-character key exactly. After setup completes, launch Word to validate activation. To finish, open Word or Excel and go to File Account to confirm product activated or that your Microsoft 365 subscription is active. This proves success. If activation fails, first sign out of Office and sign back in, then run the built-in activation troubleshooter to repair licensing. If you used a product key, double-check every character and try entering it again. If problems persist, switch to the Microsoft account that originally purchased Office or contact support. One key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.